Declare the first aid.
You want to lower the window?
And lower the window. Thereafter, he's going to flag them off. So let him test the ambulance first, and when he's flagging them off is when we shall do the ceremonial kickoff. That is the commercial ambulance of Uganda Red Cross. Should the general public trust the Uganda Red Cross ambulances?
We shall need some lower bandages.
Maintaining the airway. Let me maintain him in this position.
We shall need your support because we are going to do also anatomic bleeding, anatomic splitting.
Okay. Mutuze bantraining up first aid wano afunya akabenjo wano ku Uganda Road. Netubadde tusoosemu abujjanja tukubidde ambulance ya Red Cross tugenda mutwala e Mulago. Mwine eddwaliro lyonna lye mubadde mujjanjabira oba tumutwale e Mulago. Tumutwale e Mulago kati ojja kusigala okube ku ssimu eno bw'oba otuuse e Mulago.
So that is what we call on-scene care, and everybody who trains with the Red Cross will get those skills of how to manage.
Our ambulance, as you see him, it is a fully equipped ambulance. It is a Class B ambulance. It can also handle...
The team is trying to coordinate. Nice. The team has loaded casualty control and stretcher. Into the ambulance, and then the ambulance can refer him to our national referral hospitals.
High level professionalism.
Yeah. So they're loading the patient or the casualty onto the ambulance. Well coordinated. The team is very professional, very passionate about what they're doing, and of course that is what the Red Cross does.
We are a partner of choice. There is nothing like if don't run. Hey. Hey.
Thank you so much.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.